In this video, I'll show you how to make a bootable USB of a Ubuntu or any other Linux distribution. In this case, I will be doing Ubuntu version 20 and I'll download from their BitTorrent network. The point is, you need to download the ISO file. To burn the contents of the ISO file to a USB, you'll need a utility like Rufus in this case. Simply download it and open the portable edition. Once you've got your ISO, simply select the ISO file. And if you need to boot in a CSM, make sure it is MBR. If you're going to boot in a UEFI system, choose the GPT option here. And when you're ready, go for it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.